Hi there, students. An upstart. So, upstart, a noun. It can also be an adjective. Let's see, an upstart is somebody who has suddenly gained power or wealth or prominence in some field, and either they have not been socially accepted, maybe they come from the wrong class, or somebody who has become arrogant, self-important and presumptuous. The new headmaster of this school is an upstart. Calling somebody an upstart, this is critical, this is derogatory. Most dictators are upstarts. They come from nowhere and they come to power. So an upstart, a person of humble origin who suddenly rises to power, especially somebody who is pushy, arrogant, conceited, big-headed, insolent and impudent. They think that they are wonderful. Somebody who thinks that they are more important than they really are. This new upstart government thinks it is of much greater importance than it really is. I see they are now letting upstarts join my gentleman's club. I will have to resign my membership. So people who've suddenly come to power, but maybe socially they're not acceptable. Notice an upstart as well, it can be somebody who doesn't start from humble origins, but in this case they're very presumptuous, they're very arrogant, and they think they're absolutely fantastic because they have this job or this position. He is an upstart who has come from nowhere, and he thinks he's the best thing since sliced bread. Okay, so somebody who rises to fame and power, probably from a low social position, but maybe from a high social position. If it's from a low social position, this is somebody who has not been socially accepted, and particularly if they are arrogant and presumptuous, or somebody who has risen to fame from a less humble background, but again is presumptuous and arrogant. Okay, I think I would probably give this word 4.5 to 5 in formality. I think it's a great word for an informal conversation. I think you could use it in a semi-formal writing, but I think in something very formal I would use the word parvenu. French always makes things posher. Parvenu, recently arrived. And as to the origin, I think it's really quite obvious. Somebody up from nowhere and they suddenly start being powerful. Okay? So, an upstart, somebody who rises to power from nowhere and thinks they are the bee's knees. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Upstart.